Hello students from Mr. Webb's History 101 and 102 online sections. In this short video, we're going to show you how to find articles located in the Swick Library website. To get to the Swick Library website, you can start by going to www.swick.edu. On the front page, go ahead and hover over Student Services and select Library from the drop-down menu. Once you get onto the library page, you'll see there's a picture of a student studying. Underneath that, you're going to see the blue ribbon that's going to have information on when you can visit the library, the hours and locations, and one of the most important links is how to contact your super librarians, the rock star nerds that are at your disposal anytime that you need us. Please go ahead and click on the Contact Us link, and you can reach out by email, by phone, or stop by and see us on the Belleville campus. I am Jennifer Bone, one of the full-time reference librarians, and we also have the rockstar librarian Samantha Rogers here as well. So please feel free to reach out via email or phone, or stop by and see us. We are located in the Information Sciences building on the Belleville campus. Going back to the front page, if you're looking for articles, if you scroll down a little bit further, you'll see this wonderful blue rectangle. You'll see that it has the 3 tabs that go across the tops. The Books and Movies and Find Facts tab are where you would find book sources. The Articles tab is where you can look up articles written on your particular event, topic, or person that you're looking for. So you'll see underneath the search box there are 4 different little dots that you can fill in. These are called research databases, and what you can look up in these are articles and sometimes book chapters on your particular item that you're researching. The ones that work best for history are going to be EBSCO as well as JSTOR. So we're going to focus on those 2 today. So with the EBSCO one, we're going to go ahead and type in the topic Queen Nzinga. This is a topic from the History 102 class. You can go ahead and click go, and then what you're going to find is it works very similarly to Google, where you can see the total number of items right here at the top. I'm going to make this just a little bit bigger so you can see it a little bit easier. This is the title of the article. This is where it was published right here and the date of publication, and then to actually read the article, you can click right here. When you click the article open, you'll see that it appears for you. And then if you wanted to take it with you, so you have it on your computer, you'll see that over on the right-hand side, there's a little toolbar. You can save it to the cloud. There's a black ribbon across the top. You can download it to your computer. You can print. And then my favorite tool is this little email button. You can click on email and send it to any email address, your school email address or your personal, and then you can also have them write your citation for you, and that will come in the email to you as well. So it's easy, free, and quick, especially if you only need 1 or 2 articles. I'm going to click the back button or click right on the results list, and so any of these I can look at. The one thing I wanted to point out is that right underneath the title it'll have a little picture, and it'll tell you what type of information it is. This is an article coming from an academic journal, which means it's written by a nerd in the field for other nerds, so that's a high quality article. This one right here is a periodical. This is going to be in more of a magazine. And then this third one here is a review. Now the review is one that's usually reviewing a book. So if you're like, oh, this seems like it would be great and what I'm looking for, please know whatever book you find, we can order it for you and have it sent here from another library for checkout. Now, if you find other ones that seem really great that you'd like to use, like this one coming from the Journal of African History, you can send us an email. It's our job to actually find items like this, and we can email them to you usually pretty quick. So know that you can always just hit the email button for one that's not full text, put in your email address here, put my email address or Samantha Rogers' email address here, and hit send. As soon as we get that, we will go out and find it, and usually within an hour or less, we'll be able to send the full text of that article to you. If we can't find it, we will ask a university to send it to us, and we can send it to you as well. For that particular article, I actually did do some searches, and I found it immediately this one, legitimacy and political power of this Queen Njinga, and so it's very easy for us to get. So know that all of that is there. You can always click on the title of an article, and you'll see it gives you a little overview and description right here in the abstract. That's a summary. And you'll also sometimes get these hashtags or subject terms that have been labeled by the people who work at the company. So if I wanted to find more articles that really talk about this particular person, I can click on that, and then it's going to narrow down my scope to just 14 articles, but I know that all of these are going to be dedicated and focused on her. So just know that it's a really great way to help narrow things down to things that you're looking for. So that's how you can use EBSCO to find your sources for your magazine article or your journal article. I'm going to click this tab closed and go back to my search widget right here. I'm going to move the button to JSTOR. I'm going to change my search to Scientific Revolution, and then I'm going to click Go. This works in the exact same way, where it gives you a results list, and you'll see that things are coming from a book chapter, so you can find some things from a book in here, but you'll also see things that are coming from journals, and they'll be identified right there. So if I find any of these that I think I might want to work, here's one, Solving the Problem of the Scientific Revolution. This might be a good book chapter, so this could check the box for a book chapter. I can either click on the title and kind of peruse it, but you can also just click on download, and it will actually just show you the whole entire article or book chapter, and you can read through it. So this might be a really great source and easily add to your paper. Again, if you wanted to save it to your computer, you can see this download this file is right there. Now, JSTOR does not have a good email to me feature, so I would recommend downloading any article and saving it to your computer that you need. And if you're not on your own computer, just attach it to an email. But if you just wanted to focus on journal articles, you can go over to the left-hand side where it says academic content, check the box for journals, and then that's all that will end up in your list right here. So know that this is a quick and easy way to get your hands on a journal article so you can meet the requirements for your teacher. Always know that if you're only required to use one journal article, if you want to use 2 or 3, Mr. Webb would welcome that, and the same with books. If you only have to use 1 or 2, please know that you can use more. If you have any questions, please contact Sam or myself. You will see us in the Contact Us link right under here, and we are your librarians, and we're always happy to help you. Happy researching!